Okay, we are standing in front of a Japanese restaurant. Can you hear the noise inside? My heart is racing a little. Even though I'm Japanese. Ready? Let's open the noren. 1, 2, 3.
いらっしゃいませ。乾杯。
乾杯。
今日もいい感じだね。
焼き鳥のタレ最高だよ。
はい、ネギマイチ上がり。あ、来た来た。
Most travelers panic when they hear this.
いらっしゃいませ。
So welcoming, isn't it? And Irasshaimase actually means welcome. But you don't need to say anything. Just nod. Yes, a small bow. That's perfect. If you want to call the staff, just say SUMIMASEN.
すみません。
Quite often in restaurants in Japan, staff come before you even call them. But in busy places like izakaya, you may need to call them. You can raise your hands and say, SUMIMASEN. This means, excuse me. Don't worry. In Japan, this is not rude. It is normal. When ordering food, you can say, これください. If you don't know Japanese, you can still order easily. You can point to the menu and say, これください. This means, this one please. When leaving the restaurant, Japanese people
ごちそうさまでした。
ごちそうさまでした. This means, thank you for the meal. But if you do not remember, you can just say, おいしかったです or ありがとう works as well. When you try to speak in Japanese, people really appreciate. No tipping needed.